you for joining me in my SAP S/4HANA training. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will review change document header rules and change document line item rules. We will check first a transaction. Let's go to FBL3N for GL entries, FBL for line report, and 3 for GL, and then N for new. Hit enter. Enter your company code. Mine is TUK2. That's okay. It's okay to choose all open items. And let's click on search. And let's choose the last line. And here we have a sample transaction. If we click change and display, change display mode, we will be able to change the text even if it's posted already. And if we click on the header, we can also change the doc header text and reference even if the transaction is posted. We will try to restrict uh, changing or posting a text header and also for reference and also for text of the line item. Let's close this for now. Let's go back. And now let's go open a new window and go to SPRO or SIMG for the configuration. In your command field, type /o to open a new window and then SIMG. Now in the SAP Customizing Implementation Guide, we will go to Financial Accounting. And from Financial Accounting node, we'll go to Financial Accounting and Global Settings. And from Financial Accounting Global Settings, we'll go to Document. And from the Document node, we'll go to Rules for Changing and Documents node. And from Rules for Changing Document nodes, we will go to Document Change Rules and Header, this one. So we can execute this. And as you can see, there is only one rule for all. That's the blank one. Let's create a rule for our document text header and reference. Let's just go back to our report. This one, double click, and this is the header. And it's not editable. Let's change it to editable or edit or change mode and click the header. And in here, we can see doc header text is editable and reference. So it is based from this rule. So we will disable this one so we could not change the doc header and reference. Okay, let's close it again. And let's just close up our window again. Oh, we can check the field names if we want. BKPF and BKTXT and BKPF XBLNR. So from the header, just to make sure that these are the ones that we're checking. Click F1, and from F1 document text header, click the technical information, and from the technical information, it's a transparent table. The table is BKF and the field name is BKTXT, which should be our field. Let's double check side by side. Okay, BKPF, BKPF, BKTXT, and BKTXT for document header. Okay, that's great. Let's go to the other field. So from here, click the field and then hit F1 from your keyboard. And from performance assistance, click this icon, which is the technical information. And we will be able to see the table and field. So our database table name is PKPF and our field is XBLNR. And let's check again in our customizing rule. And here we have the table BKPF, and the table here is BKPF, and the field name is XBLNR and XBLNR. So make sure that this is a transparent table. Okay, good. So we will be changing this one. Let's close it, close, and then close. So we don't want to apply it to all the company codes. So what we'll do is highlight these two and then copy. We have here the copy icon, and it was properly copied. Let's put in our company code. Better yet, there's a lot of company. Let's put it here to K TUK2. Okay. So this will be applied to account type all and transaction type. So you may restrict specific account types. Let's search for it, and there are asset, customer, suppliers, materials, and GL accounts. For now, we will choose all by putting leaving it blank. And also in the transaction type, we'll leave it blank. And this one, that's why we are able to change it. Possibility of changing the field is click check, stipulating for changing posting period not closed. Okay, so we'll just uncheck this one to, and then later on we will check whether we can do this. We can change the field. Okay, okay, let's hit enter. Specific targets. Oh, this one, the first one was BKTXT. It was already processed, while this one is the new one, XBLNR. That's why it's asking for specific targets. We will put on the company our company code. Sorry, there's a lot of companies here. TUK2. And now we will uncheck this box. Okay, and then hit enter. And here we are, these new entries, TUK2, TUK2, as we have copied them. And then let's save it. And let's create a new customizing request. And let's name this change document header rules for TUK2. Okay, TUK2. And hit enter or click save, and then click next or hit enter. All right. So let's just go back to make sure it will refresh. And let's try to double click. And remember, we click this one, change mode. So in the change mode, the line details is still available for the text. Let's check the header. Okay, we can see now that the doc header is not editable, while the reference is also not editable. And we have already chosen to uh, change the details. So this restricts the changing of document header and reference field. So just to double check, let's allow doc header to be changed. You can change it even after posting. Let's allow that one. So this is the document header. I'll double click and edit. Oops. Edit. Or let's do this one and then edit. Okay, just double click and I didn't notice. We can click this now. The field can be changed. Let's click. Field can be changed. And this is for the document header text. Let's save it. And We won't create a new customizing request. Let's just create it here and then go back. Let's just double check this one, our reference. It's still the field is not checked for the change access. So let's just go back and then let's move this away and then let's check our transaction. So let's click change. So these two fields are can be changed, but when we go to the document header, okay, that's great. The reference is uneditable and doc header is editable. Okay, let's go back and in our changing rules, let's go back. Let's go on to the next one for the line item, the document change rule line item, and we can execute this. Alternatively, you can hit OB32. Let's double check. I'm going to open a new window and then use the code OBB32. Hit enter and it's locked by me. So do you want to display? Yes, will just display and it's the same. Okay, let's close this one. Let's see. T-code OB32. Okay, let's close this window and let's use this one. And we'll try to find our text. And what we want to find is this one, the text, and maybe assignment. Let's see if we can find them. So hit F1 for the technical details, performance assistance, and then technical information details, and then we have BSEG and SG text. Okay, that's the technical name, just to make sure. We'll get that one. Oh, we have it already. The BSEG here, SGTXT. And for the other one, if we want to use this one, click F1 and then in the performance assistance, click the technical details, and from the technical details, you will see the table name BSEG and the field name is ZOUNR. So let's check if it's also the second one. Yes, it's also the second one, but the activity is A. We will be using activity D. Let's first close this one and go back. Close again this technical details and then go back. And I think it's okay in the report. We'll have that. And then we'll be using this and this. We can copy this and we can just change the activity. Okay, so highlight the two and then copy. Alternatively, you can create. And for the account type, you see it was restricted to assets and assets, customer, suppliers, materials is the same as the other, the for the header. So what we'll do is remove the restriction for assets, so it will be consistent across our company code, and our company code is TUK2. Okay, that's it. And we want the field to be restricted. Okay, so let's hit enter, and it goes now to the second field, which is B6 ZOUNR is the assignment, and what we'll do again is remove this one, so it will be applied to all accounting account types, and then put our code, company code to K2. Yes, and we don't want to change it. We don't want the field to be changed or to be accessed after posting, and let's hit enter. And number of copies entries copied. Let's click save. And we have a similar name. Let's just copy this one and then create a new customizing request. And instead of header, it would be change document line item rules to UK and then click save or hit enter or and then click next or hit enter. So that's it. We have saved it. Let's just put it away. And then let's go to our sample again, double click our sample. And if we click the change, we can still change it. Okay. 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 But in the header, it's already correct. So let's let's try to go back and then go back again to refresh all the details and then execute. And let's go back to our transaction. Oh, this is TK0, but this business company code, right? It's correct. Company code, and then let's click change, and it's not working. Okay, let's edit it. Let's go back first. Might need to specify the account type. So let's remove these two first, and then let's create another one and save it. Yes, we'll do it here. And let's copy again this one. And okay, we've copied it. That's asset. Our just to double check, our transaction is from the header. You can see here GL account document. So it's a GL transaction. I think that's it. And let's change this to GL. And of course, we'll put in our company code to K2. And the field should not be changed. Let's hit enter. Okay, specify target. This is the other one. It's the assignment. We'll change again to the GL. That's letter S. And then our company code to K2. Okay, and then field can be changed. Let's remove that and hit enter. These are our changes. So S type and then TOK2. We did not put any transaction type. Let's click save and the data was saved. Let's try to check it now. If there are changes in our configuration, we will able to, let's go back and then back again, just to make sure. Execute our report and then double click at our transaction and click change mode. Okay, it's worked. So we can't use the blank accounting type. And if we want to apply it to all, we will need to create all asset, customer, suppliers, and materials. So right now we'll just be using it for our GL. So this is okay. Just to double check, let's allow text to be edited and let's highlight and then click the change. Oops. Let's, let's sort it in our company code position. Let's see. Company code TUK2 and then hit enter or the check. It's not there. Let's try it again. Position, company code TUK2 and then check. It's not there. I just scroll down. Okay, it's here, and that's our record. Let's highlight it, and then details, and then click change. Oops, again. Hmm. Okay, to count type S. Okay, let's just click change first, and then position, and then S. Okay, to hit enter or check. So we'll be at the position. I have already clicked the change. Let's highlight, I mean double click line. Hmm, it's not yet editable. Let's change it. It's in change mode. So let's go to position again, account type S, and then company code TUK2, enter, and this is our line, and then click the details. Okay, let's go back. Let's first change it. We can edit the text and then click save. Okay, we will put it in the line item rules and customizing request and check. Okay, let's go back and let me just try. If I double click, it's editable. Okay, anyway. So let's go back to our entry. First, let's refresh our report and then execute. Execute FBL3N and then go to our sample. And this is in display mode. So let's put in a change mode. And as we can see, we can change the text. But the assignment is still um, not available for change, which we configured. I think that's it. Thank you.